Hello everyone, let's solve this um, lovely algebra. So the question is 1 over 8 factorial plus x to the power of minus 1, which is equals to 81 over 9 factorial. So let's to find the value of x. So 1 over 8 factorial plus x to the power of minus 1, which goes to 81 over 9 factorial. So this one is 1 over 8 factorial plus this, we can write it as x to the power x over 1 over x, which is equals to 81 over 9 factorial. So okay, let's do to take the common denominator, 8 factorial times x times 9 factorial. So this can be written as 1 over 8 factorial times this one as a denominator, 8 factorial times x times 9 factorial plus 1 over x times 8 factorial times x times 9 factorial, which is equals to 81 over 9 factorial times 8 factorial times x times 9 factorial. So this 8 factorial cancelled by this one, so what we left, x times 9 factorial plus this x cancelled by this x, we have 8 factorial times 9 factorial, which is equals to this 9 factorial cancelled by this one, what we left, 81 times x times 8 factorial. Okay, let's divide both sides by 8 factorial. Before that, we can rewrite it x times 9 factorial means 9 times 8 factorial plus here we have 8 factorial times 9 factorial, which equals to 81 times x times 8 factorial. Let's divide both sides by 8 factorial. So this 8 factorial cancelled by this one, what we left, x times 9 plus this cancelled by this one, what we left, 9 factorial, which is equals to this one also cancelled by this one, 81 times x. So let's move this to the right hand side. So 9 factorial, which is equals to 81 times x minus x times 9. 9 factorial we have, here is 9 factorial, which is equals to 81 minus 9 times, we have here a common x. So 9 factorial, which is equals to this one is 72 times x. So this 72 means 9 times 8, 9 factorial, which is equals to this one is 9 times 8 times here we have x. So this one is 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, which is equal to, here we have 9 times 8, here we have a common x. So this one cancelled by this one. What we left? X, which is equal to 7 factorial. That's the final solution. Thanks for watching.